हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस क्लासेस। आज हम +1 क्लास के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। +1 में लेक्चर 3 इज़ गोइंग ऑन ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन। इन दिस 2 lectures over. This is the 3rd lecture on this chapter, trigonometric functions, and exercise 3.1 ncert book, question up to 5 done. Now question 6 and 7. Today question number 6 onward we have to do, and after that about the function we have to discuss trigonometric function. Okay, now question number 6, if in two circles two different circle, okay, in two different circles, arcs of the same length, arcs of the same length okay, same length, subtend angle 60 degree and 75 degree, okay, one 60 degree, other 75 degree. The one is 60 degree, other is 75 degree. This is given. Length of arc in first circle, length of arc AB in this CD, these length of arc are equal. So solution, length of arc means arc AB is equal to arc CD given. Okay, let radius R1 and R2. Let radius R1 and R2. Let R1, R2 be the radius. Okay, now we know angle formula. What formula? Angle is equal to, but angle in degree, not it is in radian. Angle is in radian is equal to length of arc upon radius. Okay, then length of arc for first circle L1 and radius R1. So for first circle, this is first circle, this is second circle. For first circle, what is for first? That angle is 60 degree, convert into radian. So 60 degree convert into radian. Okay, 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. 1 degree equal, and then 60 degree pi upon 180 multiply. This is now in radian. 60 degree converted into radian, you know, is equal to length of arc L1. L1 is equal to L2. So length of arc L1 upon radius R1. Okay, and second from here take L1 is equal to, simplify, 6 3 is 18, so means pi by 3. So L1 is equal to r1 into pi by 3. Okay, r1 into pi by 3. This is your L1. Okay, L1 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई से, ठीक है. नाउ दिस फर्स्ट सेकेंड फोर सेकेंड सर्कल, फोर सेकेंड सर्कल, फोर सेकेंड सर्कल, लेंथ ऑफ आर्क, ठीक है बेटा, लेंथ ऑफ आर्क L2. लेट अस सपोज लेंथ ऑफ आर्क L2. तो लेंथ ऑफ आर्क L2 अपॉन R2 is equal to angle. Angle is 75 degree. Then 75 degree convert into radian. Pi upon 180. Then it is in radian now. This. Then simplify. R2 will go that side. L2 is equal to, simplify, okay, 5 3 जा 15, 30, 5 6 जा 30, 5 1 जा 5, 25, 5 5 जा 25, okay, 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 5 जा 15, okay, 5 pi by 12. तो R2 will come, sorry, L2 will come, R2 will go and multiply that side, R2 into 5 pi upon 12, okay, this. Now from this second equation and first equation, this length of arc equal here, so put equal, okay, put this L1 equal to L2, this L1 equal to L2 given. So put here L1 and L2 value. L1 is R1 pi by 3, R1 into pi by 3, this L1 is equal to L2. L2 is R2 into 5 pi by 3, R2 into 5 pi by 12. Okay, now simplify. This value we have put here, L1 and L2 both we have calculated, and both are given equal. Find the ratio of their radii. Okay, so now ratio of their radii we have to find. So R1 and multiply will come R2 in divide, and this 3 will go up, 3 into 5 pi by 12, and pi will come down into pi, this. Okay, simplify, pi cancel, 3 4 ja 12, then 5 upon 4. So ratio of the radii, so ratio of radii will be equal to R1 ratio R2, R1 ratio R2 is equal to 5 ratio 4. Answer. So like this we can solve. Easy, what is given, according to that you should follow. ठीक है, condition and by the formula. So now next question, question number 7. Yes, from the ncert book, question 7. Okay, now see what is question number 7. in ncert book. Question number 7, find the angle in radian. Find the angle in radian. Okay, angle find करना radian में. Through which a pendulum swings. Through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 degree, 75 सेंटीमीटर. सॉरी, पेंडुलम ऐसे आपका रेडियस होगा, पेंडुलम ऐसे आर्क हो जाएगा. दिस इज पेंडुलम आर्क. ठीक है, दिस 75 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज पेंडुलम ए बी. पेंडुलम इज लाइक आर्क. दिस इज 75 सेंटीमीटर. Pendulum length 75 centimeter given. Find the angle in radian. Okay, through which the pendulum, this angle we have to find. Okay, angle at O we have to find, and the tip describes an arc of length 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter. We find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter and the tip describe an arc of length 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 21 centimeter. Its length, if its length, किसकी length? Find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings. Length 7.5 or 75 centimeter. I think it is 7.5 centimeter. Length of pendulum means this radius given 7. Saying that the tip describe an arc of the length 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter given. And this given length of pendulum 7.5 centimeter. Okay, this given 7.5 centimeter है और 75. This 7.5. Okay, mean this is the length. Swing if it's length का मतलब पेंडुलम लटका हुआ है उसकी, और ये टिप्स की जो लेंथ है वो 10 सेंटीमीटर है. आर्क 10 सेंटीमीटर. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन फाइंड द एंगल फॉर द फर्स्ट पार्ट. दिस इज फर्स्ट पार्ट. ओके, द एंगल सॉल्यूशन, एंगल इन डिग्री इन रेडियन. एंगल इन रेडियन होता है इस फॉर्मूले में. एंगल इन रेडियन इज इक्वल टू लेंथ ऑफ आर्क अपॉन रेडियस. ओके, तो नाउ फॉर द फर्स्ट पार्ट दिस, what is the radius? Radius is 7.5 centimeter and what is L? 10. So angle is equal to length of arc 10 centimeter upon 7.5. This is the radius R. Okay, now simplify. Decimal removed. 25 3 जा, 25 4 जा, then 4 upon 3 radian. Okay, this is angle. Second part, similarly you can do. Okay, second part is saying 15 centimeter. So angle for second part, then that radius 7.5, same radius 7.5 and length of arc 15. This is 15. Length of arc is equal to 15 centimeter. Then 15 centimeter L length. L is 15 centimeter for second case. And then radius same, 7.5. Then simplify. 25 3 ja, 25 6 ja, 3 2 ja, then 2 radian. Answer. Similarly, you can do third also. Okay. Now, after this, trigonometric functions. Okay. Now this exercise is completed. Now trigonometric function. In trigonometric function, take one unit circle. Take unit circle, unit radii circle, ठीक है, 1 unit radius. Okay, to understand the function. Center, from the coordinate system, trigonometric function understand on the base of coordinate system. Okay, from center, passing through the center horizontal line to the earth x-axis, passing through center O. Okay, this is center O. Now after that, y-axis perpendicular on it, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is y dash, x dash. Okay, now understand, radius is 1 unit, OA, 1 unit. Okay, 1 unit circle. Then what is the coordinate of this point A? Coordinate, this O is origin in rectangular system, 1 unit we have taken, so coordinate of A is x coordinate 1 and y coordinate on x-axis 0. We know. What is the coordinate of point A? 1, 0 if this OA is 1 unit. Done. After that, if you want to take the point B, what is the coordinate of point B? Okay, see this, it is on y-axis and radius OB is 1 unit, this is also 1 unit. Okay, then it means this x-axis 0, y-axis 1. Clear? 0, 1. After that point C, if coordinate of point C we want, then what is the coordinate of point C? यहाँ लिख लो. What is the coordinate of point C? From this 1 unit radii of this circle, so this is left hand side on x-axis -1, x coordinate -1 of point C and y coordinate 0 on y-axis, on x-axis this point C. Okay, left hand from the origin. So you know 1 unit distance, OC is 1 unit radius, then -1 because the left hand, and now this point D we can write coordinate, it is on y-axis, so x coordinate 0, x coordinate 0 on y-axis we know. Okay, and then y coordinate 0 origin से downward है तो negative y, तो -1. So these are the 4 points to understand the function. Okay, now you see that See what? If this point A coordinate 1, 0, so you check here what is the angle OA if revolution not there, A and B both here, so angle 0 degree. So means if you want to see fx is equal to sine x. X is the angle. Let us suppose anywhere this ray revolving about the OA ray, I told you, and this let point P. Okay, beta. So coordinate of this point P, if you want, see coordinate of the point this. What? If you draw the perpendicular here, then you will see what? This. What is the coordinate of point P? We can't write here. Then let this is A, x comma y we are writing. So let it is A, it is B. ठीक है? X comma y, let it is A, let it is B. Okay? Then what is the coordinate of point P? Let it is OM. OM is A. Okay? X coordinate A and Y coordinate B. Any real number. Okay? So now we can say coordinate A, comma B. Now you see what? Okay, this angle, if x, understand, this angle if x radian, x radian is means every radian is as real number. So this is, understand, what? Coordinate A, comma B. Here coordinate 1, 0. So you check first for the point A, angle is 0 degree or 0 radian, angle 0. So what is the value there? 1, 0. So we can say if here 0, sine 0 is equal to sine 0. If 0 putting, so what is y coordinate? What is y coordinate if 0 degree? Sine. If x is 0 degree, angle 0 degree. If, understand, x is equal to 0, then sine f0 is equal to sine 0 is equal to 0 we know. So 0, 0. Y coordinate 0. If angle x 0, y coordinate 0. Understand? Y coordinate है यहाँ पर 0. So if you are finding cos, if cos x is equal to f angle 0 putting at this point A, f0 is equal to cos 0 and cos 0 कितना होता है 1. We know what is cos 0? 1. तो y is 1 for cos x फंक्शन. तो इसका मीनिंग क्या हो गया कि 1, 0 है कोऑर्डिनेट, तो यहाँ पर बन गया x कोऑर्डिनेट एंड यहाँ y कोऑर्डिनेट 0, यहाँ y कोऑर्डिनेट 1. इसकी वैल्यू आउटपुट 0, आउटपुट 1. तो आउटपुट मीन्स दैट साइन ऑफ, सो वी कैन से फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट डिपेंड द कोस, तो वी कैन से कि कोस ऑफ एक्स कॉमा साइन ऑफ एक्स, दिस इज पॉइंट ए. Point A coordinate, because cos angle if x is 0 we put here, so that is 1, and if angle put 0 for the sine function then output is 0, so y coordinate 0. So means so x coordinate is cos x, value of cos x. So when we convert into trigonometry this, तो इट मीन्स here a comma b general if written, तो general you have to check कि point A is this 4, because this is equal to what 1 comma 0, this implies 1 comma 0. Cos x value is 1, sin x value is 0 at x is equal to 0, एंगल 0 डिग्री पर पॉइंट A है. ठीक है. अब सिमिलरली इफ यू वांट टू चेक दिस पॉइंट बी, चेक करो पॉइंट बी. अंडरस्टैंड इफ एंगल 90 डिग्री, ओके, यू सी दैट इफ x इज इक्वल टू रेडियन में ले लो π/2, ओके बेटा, एंगल इज π/2, दिस फुल एंगल π/2 90 degree for point B. If angle this, so what is the position of cos x? You check cos x comma sin x, okay. So cos x is π/2, so you put here cos π/2 comma sin π/2, ओके. ये कौन सा पॉइंट है? बी, पॉइंट बी, ओके. सो दिस पॉइंट बी विल बी इक्वल टू, बिकॉज इफ x इज π/2 देन पॉइंट इज बी पॉइंट पर है, ठीक है. तो देन cos π/2 कितना होता है? cos π/2 वी नाउ cos π/2 cos 90 0 कोमा sin 90 1, this, so means it is verified, so this is equal to point B. So point B is represented by same cos, so it means in general form cos x comma sin x is the A comma B. So general, what is the angle x for the sine function and cos function? We have checked this, okay, these are the coordinate system. What is the angle at the center, okay, that always. So if this, what is that angle? According to angle point B will come. So point B will come, what will come? A comma B cos x comma sin x. So what will be angle? According to that angle we can find. So now question arises that कि after 90 if angle is pi, if x is equal to pi, if x is equal to pi, then sin x cos x comma sin x, if we are going to calculate, so what will come? Cos, this point C must come, so cos of pi, ठीक है बेटा. अब 90 से ज़्यादा एंगल निकालने हैं हमें, ओके, 90 तक हम जानते हैं. तो अब सिमिलरिटी वी हैव टू टेक कि फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट represented to cos of angle at the center, and second coordinate, y coordinate of every point on the circle represented to sine of x, that angle is x. So cos pi, here angle pi at the C, So C point will be equal to this, comma sine pi. Okay, and this is here by coordinate system -1, 0. First two verified and third calculated the angle. Now angle calculate करो, क्या बन गया, cos pi की वैल्यू -1. So compare these 2 points, compare by comparing. So ये पॉइंट सी, ये भी पॉइंट सी, सेम पॉइंट. तो बाय कंपेयरिंग what we get, cos pi is equal to -1. Cos pi value is equal to -1 and sin pi is equal to 0. So these value we got, cos pi -1 by the coordinate system, because point A, point B verified this coordinate system according to angle 0 degree and pi by 2. We know cos 0, sin 0, cos 90, sin 90 we know, and verified the coordinate 1, 0, 0, 1 as cos of x, sin x, cos of x, sin x. So x coordinate always cos x, and y coordinate of any point, that is sin theta. Theta we can say x, not saying, okay, but this is in radian, always angle is in radian. Clear? Now, so this system you understand. It means again at a D, if you check, if x is equal to, what x is equal to, if at the point D angle x 180 plus pi by 2, it means pi plus pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. Okay beta, 3 pi by 2. X is equal to 3 pi by 2. 180 plus 90 means 270. ठीक है, और 270 degree, 270 degree if in degree you want. Then for this angle, if then at point D, ray round and at point D, so angle at the center 3 pi by 2. Then you check here, point D means cos of angle 3 pi by 2, comma sine 3 pi by 2. Okay, and is equal to, by coordinate system this point is 0, -1. So this point D 0, -1. It means comparing from this both points, same point D point, so x coordinate with x coordinate, then cos, so cos 3 pi by 2, cos 3 pi by 2 value is equal to 0. Okay, and sine 3 pi by 2 value is equal to -1. This, so like this we are taking the value of the greater than 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degree exact, and then complete round 360, 2 pi also will come same. Sine cos 2 pi 1 and comma sine 2 pi 0. Okay, so these point we understood here. So after that, what is the understanding here? If you see here, first coordinate represented cos theta and y coordinate represented sin theta. So now you see from 0 degree to 90 degree, if angle, then पॉइंट कोस एक्स 1 से लगाकर आउटपुट कोस एक्स वैल्यू इफ एक्स इज 0 देन 1 से रिड्यूस होकर वो 0 बन गया। तो कोस वैल्यू व्हेन एंगल इज इंक्रीजिंग फ्रॉम 0 to 90, कोस वैल्यू इज गोइंग टू डिक्रीज फ्रॉम 1 to 0। क्लियर? आफ्टर दैट यू सी for the sine function, if angle from 0 degree to 90 degree, then sine value is going to increase from 0 to 1. Okay, from 0 to 1. So like this sine function and cos function is clear from this one unit circle. After that, above 90 degree if you want, above 90 degree means in second quadrant. This is the first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. In the rectangular system, we are calling the quadrant. Okay, 4 quadrant. Now you check in second quadrant, angle is going to increase from 90 to 180 degree and pi by 2 to pi. If angle pi by 2 to pi, then cos 90 to cos 180 degree value is going to decrease from 0 to -1. 0 से -1 decreasing. If angle is increasing from pi by 2 to 180 for the cos function, then output यानी value of cos function is going to decrease from 0 to -1. तो इसका मतलब all values negative. तो between 90 to 180 degree cos function is negative. Clear? Cos function is negative if x is in second quadrant, means if x is greater than pi by 2 and less than pi. ओके, सो कोस ऑफ एक्स, अब कोस अगर मैं यहाँ पुट कर दूँ, कोस ऑफ, ध्यान दें, कोस ऑफ पाई बाई 2, यहाँ वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? कोस वैल्यू कहाँ से कहाँ तक जाएगी? ध्यान रखना है, कोस ऑफ पाई बाई 2, कोस ऑफ पाई बाई 2 value is 0. cos pi by 2 is 0. तो 0 से कहाँ जाएंगे? 0 से cos pi by 2 0 से यानी डिक्रीज हो जाएगी। तो ये cos pi by 2 is going less than cos pi by 2 is greater than equal to 0, cos pi by 2 greater than and equal 0, cos x greater than equal to 0 and less than greater than 0 means no. This is cos x is less than -1 से ग्रेटर है, सो ग्रेटर देन एंड इक्वल टू -1 एंड लेस देन एंड इक्वल टू 0। ठीक है, इफ अंडरस्टैंड, इफ x greater than equal to pi by 2 and less than equal to pi, then cos x वैल्यू, फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट, cos x वैल्यू कहाँ से कहाँ जाएगी? cos x जो है वो ग्रेटर दैन -1 एंड लेस दैन 0, यानी डिक्रीज हो रही है, लेस दैन 0। ठीक है, डिक्रीज हो जाती है, इसके बीच में रहेगी। तो इसका मीनिंग हो गया यहाँ पर नेगेटिव है, तो cos x इज नेगेटिव इन सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट. क्लियर? cos x इज नेगेटिव इन सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट. ओके, cos नेगेटिव एंड sin you check. Sin, if x is then sin x you check in the second quadrant. If it is from 1 to 0, it is positive 1 से 0. okay, so it is greater than and equal to 0 and लेस देन इक्वल टू 1. ये इसके बीच में रही, ध्यान दें. साइन एक्स इज द सेकेंड कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट. 1 से 0 आ गया, 1 से 0, देन पॉजिटिव 0 and 1, बिटवीन 0 and 1 साइन एक्स. इफ दिस, फॉर दिस कंडीशन एंड फॉर सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट दिस इज पॉजिटिव. okay, sin x is positive, okay, and cos x is negative, okay, in the second quadrant. तो अंडरस्टैंड यहाँ पर सेकेंड में क्या बन गया, sin x positive and cos negative. okay, now here in the third we are going to check in third quadrant angle. Second clear. Now third quadrant, if angle x from pi to 3 pi by 2, x is greater than equal to pi and less than equal to 3 pi by 2. तो cos x वैल्यू चेक करो, -1 से 0 हो गई. cos x वैल्यू कहाँ से, -1 से 0 हो गई. ओके, -1 से फिर ग्रेटर हो गए, 0 की साइड चली गई. ओके, तो cos x ग्रेटर दैन एंड इक्वल -1 एंड लेस दैन इक्वल टू 0. यानी -1 से 0 आ गई, -1 से 0 cos x की वैल्यू. इफ x from pi to 3 pi by 2, तो मीन्स दिस इज नेगेटिव. तो cos x इज नेगेटिव इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट. एंड साइन चेक करो, sin x, साइन फंक्शन, इफ एंगल बिटवीन pi and 3 pi by 2, okay, from pi to 3 pi by 2 in third quadrant, then what is sin x? Sin x is from 0 to -1, negative. Sin x is 0 to negative, यानी greater than -1 and less than 0. साइन फंक्शन 0 से -1, ये -1 से 0, दोनों वही हैं. ठीक है, तो इट मीन्स साइन फंक्शन आल्सो नेगेटिव. तो मीन्स इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट दिस सिस्टम नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव आई वांट टू टेल. तो इसमें क्या हो गया, कोस एंड साइन दोनों नेगेटिव हो गए. ओके, तो tan क्या होगा, वी नो tan x इज इक्वल टू sin x upon cos x. तो if this is negative, तो tan x will be positive. So tan x will be positive. Okay, because negative divide by negative, then cancel out negative, then positive. So tan x will be positive. तो यहाँ पॉजिटिव कौन है, tan represented by t. okay, for remember. Then in fourth quadrant we have to check sine and cos. in fourth quadrant from 0 to 1, cos from 0 to 1, if x greater than equal 3 pi by 2 and less than equal to 2 pi, complete round, ठीक है, then cos x value from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1 यानी greater than and equal to 0 and less than equal to 1, ओके। तो पॉजिटिव cos पॉजिटिव, ओके। साइन चेक करो, साइन एक्स, नाउ साइन एक्स, इफ एक्स बिटवीन दिस इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट एक्स, देन ओके साइन एक्स चेक करो, साइन एक्स इज -1 से 0 हो गया, तो -1 से 0 हो गया, इट मीन्स ग्रेटर दैन इक्वल -1 एंड लेस देन इक्वल टू 0 यानी नेगेटिव, दिस इज नेगेटिव, साइन इज नेगेटिव, कोस इज पॉजिटिव, तो हियर कोस इज पॉजिटिव, तो वी आर राइटिंग विच इज पॉजिटिव, tan पॉजिटिव। तो इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट कोस पॉजिटिव, इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट tan पॉजिटिव, इन सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट साइन पॉजिटिव, ओके, एंड अदर नेगेटिव, ठीक है, बट इनके रेसिप्रोकल भी पॉजिटिव होंगे। अंडरस्टैंड नाउ ऑल 6 trigonometric function, if you want to see here in second, sine and cosec, sine and cosec, ठीक है बेटे, पॉजिटिव सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट, ठीक है। थर्ड में कौन पॉजिटिव है, थर्ड tan एंड tan का रेसिप्रोकल कोट पॉजिटिव, अदर फोर नेगेटिव, एंड इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट कोस पॉजिटिव, कोस एंड कोस का रेसिप्रोकल होता है सेक एंड सेक, दीज आर पॉजिटिव, other 4 negative, so which negative in the second, remaining, what remaining for, cos, sec, tan, cot, negative in second quadrant, and in third tan and cot positive, other 4 negative, other 4 sine, cos, cosec and sec negative, in fourth cos and sec positive, other 4 negative, तो other 4 sine, cosec, tan and cot, these 4 negative in fourth quadrant. So this you understand, here all positive, in first all positive, to understand this thing in the quadrant A S T C, all school to college, ऐसे याद रख लो, A all positive, S all school to college, A S T C first, second, third, fourth, all positive, sine positive, tan positive, cos positive, C means cos, T means tan, S means sine, and reciprocal of these, sine का reciprocal cosec, tan का reciprocal cot, and cos का reciprocal sec, these are positive in these, done। तो like this positive and negative all school to college you can remember। तो like this remember this phenomena के which function is increasing or decreasing in which quadrant, okay, this clear now। तो about the function, this phenomena you keep in your mind and find the values of the others in between also by the other formula made here, I am telling to you, you can write, okay। Now after that tomorrow we'll discuss next video में, now time over, okay, now watch Like, share and subscribe the channel and forward the video to your contact. जितने भी आपके कॉन्टैक्ट हैं सभी में वीडियो भेजें जिससे कि वो भी उसको देखें, उनका लाभ हो. ओके, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड गाइड टू देम एंड मोटिवेट टू देम कि दे मस्ट सेंड द वीडियो. कैसी लगी वो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट ज़रूर लिखें. थैंक यू.